So this is a website I made using Google Sites. So it's about famous video games and their creators. And then there are different games that they are about, and they can tell about the creator, the release, and how to play. Actually, and you can press this but click to know more, or these buttons to actually go on the page. And also when you go on them, they'll tell you a few things about the creator. And here the image gallery. Which has many images. Then there's a trailer.
Let's go to a place where everything is made of blocks. Use your
And also there's a link to download the game. Just wait and make it load. And also the same is for all of them, with image gallery, trailer, to get the game. And also there's a picture of the creator. Okay. And the same is for these buttons. They'll give you the same page. Like this will go into just the same page we've gone before. And